12-ton Herman and Ziegler safe, Mr. D. It was impossible to break into.
Now, obviously it wasn't impossible to move it, now was it, Paul? Why would anyone take it anyway? We don't use the safe, do we, Paul? Paul?
Sam Gold's powder was in there. It came in yesterday.
No. No, Paul. Try again. You stupid motherfucker! What the hell was it doing in our properties? Why don't you just fucking rape me, Paul? Pull the troops together. Break some bones, hurt some people. Results, do you understand me? The word excuse doesn't exist in Sam Gold's lexicon. Do you understand me? Say, do you fucking understand me?
I'll take care of it.
In the meantime, get some more powder. I don't care what it takes, I don't care where it's coming from. Just fucking get it.
There's only one man who can get us that amount on such short notice.
Who?
Lord John.
No way.